We're starting to see the increasingly rapid electrification of the automotive sector. How do we respond? Which technologies should we develop, and how and when should they be introduced? Today, we're here to highlight Honda's response to these pressures by providing both an update on progress and some new detail on how the company intends to face the challenges and opportunities of electrification in the European market.
Honda placed its European business firmly at the forefront of the company's global ambitions towards electrification. This was confirmed with the commitment that all of Honda's European sales will feature electrified technology by 2025. Now we have a much clearer understanding of the regulatory requirements of the European CO2 standard. All of Honda's mainstream models in Europe will be electrified not by 2025, but 3 years earlier, by the end of 2022, in just 3 years' time.
We committed to the launch of a production version of the urban EV before the end of the decade. Fast forward a few months to the Frankfurt Motor Show in September of this year, and to great anticipation, the Honda E was unveiled in a world premiere. So what are our next steps? As Inoue-san announced earlier, all of Honda's mainstream models here in Europe will be electrified by the end of 2022, in just 3 years' time. But how will we get there? Well, I can also confirm today that we will introduce 6 electrified models to our European range in the next 36 months. Today, we're going to show you the second of those 6 new launches, the all-new Honda Jazz, which was first unveiled just under 12 hours ago at the Tokyo Motor Show. First introduced as the Fit in Japan in 2001, Honda set out to create a vehicle which would set a new industry benchmark for compact cars. And as a result of its reputation for outstanding packaging, fuel economy, driving performance and design, this model has achieved worldwide sales of more than 7.5 million units. We see an all-new minimalist exterior design, a seamless, clean philosophy which will define future Honda models, following the key concepts of function and beauty first seen in the Honda E. You might have also noticed this slightly different-looking model over here. I'm delighted to introduce for the first time the new Crossstar for customers looking for a more crossover-style look. Available with the same hybrid powertrain and interior features as the standard new Jazz, Crossstar offers increased ride height, a distinctive interior upholstery, and unique front grille design and integrated roof rails. We can also share today a new approach to Honda's global branding, with every next-generation electrified product or energy management innovation coming under the collective name of Honda E-Technology. This new naming signifies Honda's renewed focus on electrification and our ambition of seamlessly connecting energy, mobility, and people's daily lives. As such, Jazz will be badged with the eHEV, standing for Hybrid Electric Vehicle.
We now move on to the next step. In September, we announced plans to launch our first commercial energy management service during 2020. And I'm very pleased to be able to confirm for the first time details of this service. Today, we have signed a letter of intent with Vattenfall, a leading European energy supplier, to introduce the world's first flexible energy contracts specifically tailored to electric vehicle owners in Europe. These contracts will be introduced initially to the UK and Germany in 2020, in line with the launch of the Honda E, with further European countries to follow.
To bring what we've covered together in a simple summary, the automotive world is changing. Honda is working hard to meet these challenges and opportunities head-on, and we are making fundamental change to our business to achieve this. Electrification is well underway, and as a result, we will bring to market 6 electrified vehicles in the next 3 years.